Ready to dive into data visualization with Tableau? Start by heading to the official Tableau website, find the download section, or search online for downloading either Tableau Public or a Tableau desktop trial. This is where the software is obtained. Take a moment to review Tableau's system requirements before downloading. Confirm that your device meets those essential criteria, particularly the operating system, processing capacity, and memory. This will ensure the application runs smoothly. Once ready, initiate the download process. Monitor the progress bar while the file downloads. Once the download completes, identify the downloaded file, which is commonly in a designated downloads folder. Start the installation by double-clicking the downloaded file. The installation wizard will guide you through the process. First, agree to the license terms. Typically, you'll have the option to maintain the default installation directory or to specify an alternative. The installation will now begin. Watch the progress bar. Your computer is installing Tableau. The time needed varies depending on the specific version and your system, so allow sufficient time for completion. After installation, launch Tableau. The welcome screen will appear. Choose to begin by either opening an existing workbook, if you have one, or connecting to data, whether from a local file or a server. You're ready to go. Now, explore your options to link to your data and start your data visualization adventure. Consider the example workbooks and walkthroughs. If you are new to Tableau, enjoy the analysis.